Tigers, the majestic big cats, belong to the Panthera genus and are known scientifically as Panthera tigris. They are the largest members of the Felidae family and are renowned for their distinctive orange coat with black stripes, making them one of the most recognizable animals on Earth. Tigers have captivated human interest and imagination for centuries due to their power, beauty, and mystique. Here's an in-depth exploration of these fascinating creatures. Evolution and classification. Tigers, like other big cats, have a lineage that stretches back millions of years. Fossil records indicate that their ancestors first appeared around 2 million years ago. Today, there are 6 recognized subspecies of tigers: Bengal, Siberian, Amur, Indo-Chinese, Malayan, South China, and Sumatran tigers. Each subspecies has distinct characteristics and inhabits different regions of Asia, from the Siberian taiga to the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. Physical characteristics. The tiger's body is built for hunting and strength. They have powerful limbs, sharp retractable claws, and strong jaws equipped with large canine teeth designed for grasping and killing prey. Their distinctive stripes act as camouflage in the dappled light of their forest habitats, aiding in stalking and hunting. Tigers have excellent eyesight and hearing, allowing them to navigate their environment effectively. Habitat and distribution. Historically, tigers roamed across vast areas of Asia, from Turkey to eastern Russia and down into Southeast Asia. However, due to human encroachment, habitat loss, and poaching, their range has significantly decreased. Tigers now primarily inhabit isolated pockets across Asia, preferring habitats like tropical forests, grasslands, and mangrove swamps. Behavior and diet. Tigers are solitary animals, with males having larger territories that overlap with several female territories. They are predominantly nocturnal hunters, relying on stealth and strength to ambush their prey, which includes deer, wild boar, and other ungulates. Tigers are apex predators, sitting at the top of the food chain in their ecosystems. Conservation status and threats. Sadly, all tiger subspecies are endangered or critically endangered. Habitat loss, illegal poaching for their skins and body parts used in traditional medicine, and human-wildlife conflict pose significant threats to their survival. Conservation efforts, such as creating protected reserves and anti-poaching initiatives, aim to reverse the decline of these iconic animals. Human interaction and cultural significance. Throughout history, tigers have held significant cultural and religious importance in various societies across Asia. They feature prominently in mythology, folklore, and art, symbolizing power, strength, and sometimes even deity-like status. Despite their revered status, tigers face constant threats from human activities. Conservation efforts and future prospects. Various organizations and governments collaborate to protect tigers and their habitats. Initiatives include reintroducing tigers into areas where they have become extinct, establishing protected reserves, implementing stricter anti-poaching laws, and raising awareness about the importance of tiger conservation. Conclusion. Tigers are not just symbols of raw power and beauty. They play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of their habitats. Their plight is a reflection of broader issues facing wildlife globally, demanding concerted efforts from governments, organizations, and individuals to ensure their survival. By addressing the threats they face and preserving their habitats, we can strive to secure a future where these magnificent creatures continue to roam the forests of Asia. From their evolutionary history to their current challenges and cultural significance, tigers are emblematic creatures that deserve our admiration, respect, and concerted conservation efforts for their continued existence on our planet.